Hi guys, in today's video, I will tell you guys update coming to my channel. So one big thing is that I will have TikTok you guys can follow. Also, I got spring break so I will post more. Other reason why I haven't been posting is because I got sick. Other thing is, we and Koki will be doing more collabs since those were so fun to make. Koki did a live stream yesterday, so she will start doing that, and so will I. I will post something and when it's happening so you guys can be in my live stream. Also, if you guys have ideas about collabs or some things I can do, tell me in the comments. And I will be doing a giveaway when we hit 100 subscribers. That will be so fun. Bye for now. And tell me what I should call you guys.